Here we are. It is the day before Thanksgiving, so we are going to take a 4-day weekend, but so we're back into wiring and plumbing mode. So we've got that stuff going. Furnace guys put the gas line in up to the furnace. We have some change orders on the electrical, so we just gotta get these wires out of the way. Excuse me here while I move these wires out of the way. There we go. It's not moving for me. There, now we're out of the way. Okay, then let's take a look upstairs here. So we have a bunch of wiring done here. These here are called stackers, and you can put multiple wires in them. They come in really handy for 2x4 walls when you have a lot of wires going through the wall. So we have our bathroom light. That's just a temporary light fixture up there. We have another temporary bathroom light fixture. No, these are the real fixtures here. I'll just get to it. There. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's over the shower. So that fixture, these lights will be on a ground fault, probably an arc/ground fault protecting breaker, because there's that one light over the shower. But so yeah, we got that underway. It's been a busy night here. I had to stay up late because I was doing some early cooking for Thanksgiving. It's my turn to cook everything for everybody. I do Thanksgiving, my brother does Christmas, and my sister does Easter. So it works out pretty good. So we have, these are going to be for countertop lights. So these go up, here's 36 inch, which is countertop height, plus another 19 inches. And then when the wall cabinets go in, we'll just kind of cut a little hole right underneath the cabinets and pull these wires through. And this here's the other one. And we have 2 wires because we've got one bank of cabinets, wall cabinets going to here, and then there's the washer dryer will be there, and then over the sink will be another wall cabinet, and that will require a second light wire. And the connection boxes for these don't take well to 2 wires inside of them, so we just run a couple of wires, 1 to each side out of the box. So yeah, anyway, we are, let me get this out of the way, wrapped up for the week. We have the stackers here too. Then, as you can see, with these here blue boxes, you can slip the wire behind them. You see how they're indented here, and so you can run your wires behind the box, against the wall, between the box and the wall. So that comes in handy. Anyway, then the furnace guys came in today and hooked up a pressure system to the furnace, and then they run this mist through the furnace until they achieve 0 leakage through the duct system. And seems a little overkill to me, but I guess that's the way things are going with codes, they want things very tight. But the amount of leakage, once you have all these duct connections taped up and zip tied, there's already so little leakage. And you see the main return duct right there. So, okay, yeah, been a good week, short week, got a lot done. A lot to do. So, have a happy Thanksgiving, everybody, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.